Most of our students join the online programs with an undergraduate qualification. And of course, many of our students have many years of professional expertise as well. But they have to make a transition when moving from undergraduate study to master's level study. And that transition really is shown by the critical approach that students are asked to take to their studies. It's no longer a case of just perhaps accepting what they're told to be the view or the approach. They're now presented with a variety of views and a variety of approaches, and indeed encouraged to seek out new views and new approaches and to form their own view based on a reasonable argument.
So when you start your degree, one of the questions that you might ask, I certainly get it from students from time to time, is what does it mean to write in a graduate level academic writing environment? But when you move to the graduate level environment, we're going to expect you to not only write well, with thoughtful, cohesive arguments. But we're also asking you to make use of the literature, using those articles. That's why we give you the access to the University of Roehampton Library so that you can read current research on this topic area. Now, what it also means that when you're putting your opinion forward, you're also backing it up with research of other people.
Master's level work does look different than what some of you might be used to. It's more than memorization. It's more than just learning the facts and taking a test and that's it. That is where it starts. You will need to read theories and to read ideas that are happening in your field at this given time. But then you have to take it a step further. And so you'll need to inquire. And so you'll let your curiosity lead you into new directions. See what's going on in your field of study that really interests you. You also need to be able to critique what you're reading. Master's level work, one of the key differentiators is that you need to be able to ask questions of what you're reading and what you're studying. Don't be afraid to be skeptical. That's how people come up with new ideas and challenge the information that's already out there.
So it is a step up from undergraduate programs, and we are aware of this, and we do take efforts to help students make that transition from an undergraduate program through to that master's level of inquiry.